Hello guys, Nick the Fanman64 here, and this other fan I have in my new house is this 52-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage. Now most of you know that this other fan that you saw in my recent videos, the unknown fan, well apparently it's been making some click noises lately, and after the light hit didn't work due to bad wiring. So I replaced it with this one. And if you're wondering where I did with it, it's in this closet here. Right here. And there's the blades for it. And I'm considering keeping it as a collection because why not? But anyway. It works. I installed it like a month ago. Like right at the beginning of October. Like right at the beginning of October. And it's pretty much more powerful than the other one. And I'll go ahead and give it a demonstration. Light works. And I don't know where I should start off with. I might just start it off with high like I usually do. So here's high. It does shake a little bit, but it's still a big concern. You can hear the air whipping sound. It's pretty loud. Blows a decent amount of air too. Here's medium. I chose black finish because I like it. It matches the equipment that's in here. And yeah, this used to be a gaming room, by the way, but since my parents had to like work at home for a few weeks, we turned this into a temporary office. Excuse me. Anyway, here's low. This one has a solo. It's completely silent, unlike for high. Usually it hums during the startup. But it don't matter. I like it. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more content, and I'll see you on my next video.